Tired of overwhelming your audience with a wall of text? Let's transform your PowerPoint slides to reveal information, one line at a time. First things first, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide containing the text you want to animate. We'll use this sample slide with several bullet points as our example. Select the text box that holds all your text. You can do this by simply clicking on the border of the text box. Now, head over to the Animations tab in the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of your screen. In the Animations tab, look for the Entrance Animations group. This is where all the magic happens. From the available entrance animations, we'll choose a simple yet effective one, like Fade. Click on the Fade animation to apply it to the entire text box. You'll notice a small number appearing to the left of your text box, indicating that an animation has been applied. However, by default, it will all appear at once. To control how each line appears, we need to open the Animation pane. Find and click on the Animation pane button, usually located in the far right of the Animations tab. The Animation pane will now appear on the right or side of your screen, listing the animation we just applied to our text box. With the text box animation selected in the Animation pane, click the small drop-down arrow next to it to reveal more options. From this menu, select Effect Options. In the dialog box that appears, find the Animate text drop-down menu. This is the crucial step. By default, it's usually set to all at once. Click on this drop-down and choose by paragraph. On our slide, each bullet point is a paragraph, so this will animate each line individually. See that? The Animation pane now lists each line of your text as a separate animation. You can even adjust the timing for each one if you click on them and go to the Timing tab, but for now, by paragraph is our goal. Now, when you go into presentation mode, your text will smoothly fade in, line by line, giving your audience just enough time to digest each piece of information. Mastering this simple animation technique can significantly boost the impact and clarity of your presentations. Experiment with different entrance effects to find what best suits your content and style.